So you just gonna keep on looking at me and not say nothing.
We got London on the track.
What you looking at? What you looking at? Say something, baby.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy, and today's video we have a curly lace front wig. I'm gonna tell you all about this hair and show you how I styled it and got this cute little look. So if you guys are interested, make sure you stay tuned. Today's hair is from CurlsCurls. They sent me a lace front wig. It's 14 inches, it's curly wave, it's natural curly, and the cap size is medium. It also comes with an adjustable strap and a clip. So the lace is nice, it's really brown. So if you're a little lighter, you may want a lighter lace, but it works perfect for my skin tone, and the curl pattern is absolutely amazing. It's super full. Here I already applied the wig. It's looking a little crazy because I already wore it once and I just brushed out the curls. But the great thing about this wig is as soon as you put some water mixed with conditioner, the curl pattern just comes right back. So just keep watching and you see how I styled this hair. This wig is called the Sarah wig from CurlsCurls, and it's 14 inches, which you may have seen already. I cut off about 2 inches just to make it fit my face a little bit more. I think it looks cuter this way, and add a little clip for some style and to style the baby hairs. It came pre-plucked, so you don't have to worry about that, and I didn't even pluck it anymore. That's how amazing it looks. And it's 13x6 parting space that comes all the way to the back of your head, so it looks completely natural. This reminds me of someone's natural hair. It looks so good. I love it, okay? And I know you'll love it too if you want to purchase this hair. What can I say? The texture is really nice and it's soft. It's super full and it's only 150% density, as you can see. This wig is closer to the 200 side, so it costs a little bit more, but it's human hair. And as you can see, it just looks really good. It looks so natural. I just cannot say that enough. It really looks like my hair if it was curly, but my hair is not curly, it's straight. So everything about this wig is good. It doesn't shed or tangle, which I was really surprised, especially being curly. So you don't have to worry about hair just falling all over the place. It's just gonna stay right in place, and the curls are amazing. It has that wet look, but it's not wet at all. The curls are just so defined. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's amazing. I really, really love this curl pattern. It's super duper curly and not thick and tangly, because usually wigs that are thick and curly like this sometimes get tangled, but not this wig, okay, sis? So I hope you guys enjoyed this wig review / tutorial. If you did, please show your girl some support. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. And I want to thank Curls Curls for sending me this hair. And until my next video, bye.